So this truly is new territory for you.
Yeah, I usually don't put anything in my hair. I put a hat on, but I want to grow it out and I want it to look nice. So this will be good.
How long do you want to grow your hair?
I don't really know. I'm just kind of playing it by ear right now.
This is probably like, this is usually the length I think you get before you like cut it. Pretty short.
Yeah.
My name is Kaybri. I am a barber at Garrett Michael Barbershop in downtown Salt Lake. I will be giving Nick here a men's blowout, and I will be doing it in my grandpa's barber chair. He was a barber in Orem, Utah for many years, and now we got his chair refurbished for his shop. So I'm going to just be prepping Nick's hair with some Clay FX Style spray. It's just gonna add some volume, but it's important to section the hair just so you can really get every strand dry. It's always important to use some kind of a heat protectant when you're doing a blow dry. I like to just do it from the mid shaft to the ends. I also like to use a little bit and kind of get the curly hairs in the front. Now I'm going to section it off from the front to the back here. I'm going to clip the back part away for now, so we can focus on the front. I like to section away this top part here, so I can kind of do that last, so it kind of gets a little bit more body on top. What's important here is getting the root and shaking the blow dryer super fast so that it doesn't burn his scalp. I like to do just a little bit of a curl and flip it backwards. That way hair will be going away from his face and not falling in his face.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anytime. And Nick has some natural curl to his hair, which is nice. It makes giving a blowout a little bit easier. And I like to kind of set it in the curl a little bit till the end. That way it can all really come together. Switch sides here. Nick, where do you normally part your hair?
I don't know. I've been wearing hats for so long. I think
What's the part, right?
Right to left.
Right to left? Cool. So now I'm going to take the top part and split it in half. So for me, it's easiest on this side. And I'm just going to make sure I'm going up a lot of time, kind of get that volume. This way it'll help from flipping to either side. I'm gonna let it set to the side for right now.
How long would this take me to learn how to do myself?
Says the guy who doesn't know what side.
Right? This part.
Who wears a hat.
Yeah, we'll just leave this for me to do for you.
Two times.
That's when it becomes a treat, right?
Yeah.
Somebody else playing with your hair. Now we're gonna get the layers under. Always keeping the brush moving is going to help smooth down the ends a lot.
For our viewers here, there's been a comment that this gentleman might look a little like Eric Bamble's. I actually think you look like Eric's father.
Ah. We'll have to see pictures of that.
I'm sure they're both very handsome.
Humble. Awesome.
Now that we're getting to the longer pieces, I'm going to use a little bit of a bigger.
This is you don't need to sit around.
A lot of viewers can't, or a lot of women can't, aren't good with round brushing their own hair. It's really hard to do on yourself and to keep your arms up for a long period of time. So to get like the canteen kind of hair, kind of in the wind kind of look, this is a great way to do it. There are blow dry bars that you go to specifically for this. They don't cut or color hair, they only style. I used to work at one, and that's where I actually met the owner, Danny. She happened to be one of my clients, and I had been thinking about getting into barbering, but wasn't doing much about it, and then it kind of just fell into my lap. So I've kind of used those skills that I learned there and applied it to here. I think some of my clients who have really long hair have enjoyed the blowouts. You sit, relax, and you get a blow dryer, you know, through your hair. And I think it's important to kind of pamper guys as well. I don't think guys really do what us women do a lot of the time. So to be able to do that and incorporate it into the barbershop is actually really nice of you. So I'm sectioning it into kind of triangles at the top here, some triangles. That way I can get the most out of each section for some volume.
All right, guys, let's be real here. Your beard is amazing and you invest in your beard, but are you investing in your head here? We've got some amazing shampoo and conditioner over at beardbrand.com that will help get your hair game at the same level as your beard game.